Hi guys, it is Breathe the Blind, and today I'm recording some Hearthstone for you. We're just gonna play some ranked mode, and see how that goes. Yesterday I did some no commentary, and that was just because I wanted to. There'll be some days where I talk, and some where I won't, and that's just based on like how I'm feeling. Sometimes I get some pretty bad migraines, and I just don't feel like talking. Yesterday, I just didn't feel like talking, so I didn't talk. But anyways, let's see. Here we are. But we're gonna choose our deck. Let's see who we can pick. Oh yeah, we still have our 13 decks, so we're gonna go with number 3 here. But overall, like I still will talk probably more often than I won't. But anyways, so that's how come you had a no commentary video yesterday. If you like content like this, like, share, comment, and subscribe, and that will help out the channel a lot, especially if you subscribe. It's free to do so if you subscribe, and it's just a click of a button, so yeah. Same with sharing. You just share with your friends. And the like button too. Just press that little like button and it's just good times. Thank you for clicking on my videos when you do click on them. I do appreciate it. Thank you for watching and sharing and commenting if you do, and subscribing if you do. I really do appreciate those that do. When WoW Kata gets to be available, I will be playing some WoW Kata on the channel. Right now I'm playing a lot of Hearthstone, and that is because that's what's available to me. I could play WoW Classic, but see, I don't want to play WoW Classic. I want to be able to play Blood Elves or Draenei or whatever, but I also just want to play through the Kata content. I don't have any characters close to that level, but I want to be able to get to that level and play it on the channel. But I have a Blood Elf Warlock. He's like level 22. I'm gonna have to delete him though because I didn't get my Voidwalker. So yeah.
Illidan versus Cthulhu! Ends. Your nightmare begins. This ends now!
One shot, one kill.
Job's done. Time grows short.
We're done, Illidan. Calm down. I know time grows short. Jeez, man.
My power grows.
This guy's a druid. This is gonna be fun.
They will never catch me.
I'll give it a shot.
Vengeance is mine!
Job's done.
Yes, Illidan, we are quite of the understanding that vengeance is yours. I get it, dude. I get it. Okay. Alright then. Wrong button. Here we go. You want to play that way, then, don't you? Okay.
I will have vengeance!
Job's done.
Growth, life, happiness, and
Alright. Let's bring out a light drinker.
for the fallen!
Job's done.
We have a wrath
Only
scepter. Okay.
Job's done.
Just resting my eyes.
Forsaken. Man, they have a lot of good cards. Okay.
Job's done.
I might lose this one. Because this druid is nuts. I mean, they're...
Only take no can.
My god, they're like insanely good. I wish I had this druid. I wish I had the card they had. Like the cards too. Oof.
Ah, the glory of joy.
And maybe one more. Summon right.
Handle it!
You summon maybe kill maybe one attack. And roll it like 1 free. Make your result to 3. Summon right. You summon make your result to make one attack. And roll it like 1 2. Alpha will make 0 2. Here power in close. Minions kill maybe 1 free. Choose target. Opponent's minions contaminated like 1 free. Opponent's minions contaminated like 1 free. You kill minions like opponent's contaminated like 1 free. And roll it like 1 2. Play card. You make roll it like. Minions dominated for something like 1 Here power in close. Minions make your result to 3 6. In dominated 4 6. Choose target.
Vengeance!
Opponent's minions contaminated 1 2. You first dominated attack your opponent's minions 5. Here power in close. You use in close. Here they contact minions make your result to 5. Choose target. Opponent's minions contaminated 1 1. You make your result to your opponent's contaminated 5. Your hero. Choose target. Opponent's hero. Your hero attack your opponent's hero. Your opponent's hero is 1 number.
Job's done.
You have no man in place. Turn it. Your hero is 1 attack. Opponent's turn. Your opponent drew 1 card. Your opponent plays possible for 2 cards. Maintain number. Your opponent drew 2 cards. Your opponent's hero maintain number. Your opponent summons an active 7 4 2 5 5 7 5 crystals. Stage 7 Your opponent summons 8 7 5 7 7 Your opponent plays 1 each player mains 2 mother crystals. You main 2 mother. Your opponent mains 2 mother. Your opponent summons 7 4 choose 1 finish play 1 crystal. Always play 4 cards. You 2 main your opponent 2 1 card. Your opponent summons 2 attack. 2 2 against 10 mother at the end of turn. Play 1 2. Your opponent summons 2 attack. 2 2 against 10 mother at the end of turn. Play 1 2.
Are all around us.
Turn it. Your opponent summons 2 attack. Your opponent summons 2 attack. Your opponent second 2 attack. Your opponent second 2 attack. Play 1 attack. 2 and Alpha will make 1 free. Main 0 free. Battle team 3 free. Summon right. You summon battle and Alpha will make 1 2. Main 0 2. Summon right.
Handle it!
You summon minions main 1 attack. And Alpha will make 1 1. Here power in close. Minions kill getting 1 6. Choose target. Opponent's minions command 1 4. Opponent's minions command 4. Opponent's minions command 4. Opponent's minions command 4. You kill minions attack. Your opponent's command 2 5. And Alpha will make 1 1. Here power in close. Minions main 1 5. Choose target.
Hit it
Opponent's
very
minions command 1 4.
hard.
Your first main attack. Your opponent's command 2 5. Your minions command 5. And Alpha will make 1 1. Here power in close. Minions dominated 1 4. Choose target. Opponent's minions command 1 4. Your first dominated attack. Your opponent's command 2 5. And Alpha will make 1 1. Play card. You click Alpha will make your hero main 2 attack. Your hero. Choose target. Opponent's minions command 1 4. Your hero attack. Your opponent's command. Your hero multi attack. Your opponent's command 2 attack. Your Alpha will make your hero becomes your battle team your battle team main 1 attack. Hero power in close. You use in close. Your hero main 1 attack.
Time
Minions
grows
dominated 1 3. Choose
short.
target. Opponent's minions command 1. Your dominated attack. Your opponent's command 2 5.
Job's done.
Turn it. Opponent's turn. Your hero makes 2 attack. Your opponent 1 card. Your opponent plays platform. Check. You have a play the card this turn. Void.
Oh, God, this is...
Only one
Your
card
opponent 2 1 card. Your
left.
opponent summons 5 5 your opponent second card
My hope is
Your
good.
opponent summons 5 5 your opponent second card Your opponent summons 2 choose 1 4 cards. 4 summons 2 3 cards. What makes something your opponent's battle? Your opponent 2 1 card. Your opponent choose 1 4 cards. 4 main and 3 mother crystal. Your opponent's first 2 attack. Your main 2 attack. Your battle team 1 attack. Your opponent's second 2 attack. Your battle team 1 attack. Your opponent's second attack. Your opponent's second attack. Your opponent's first 2 attack. Your opponent's second 2 attack. Your opponent's second 2 attack. Your opponent's second 2 attack. Summon.
They will never catch me.
You summon Minions 1 2 spectral sight. And spectral sight 1 1. Your hero. Hero power in close. And spectral sight 1 1. Your hero. Choose target.
Vengeance
Opponent's
is
minions 2 1
mine.
Your hero attack. Your opponent's first movement. Your hero full damage. Your opponent's first movement. Your Alpha will make 6. Your hero becomes 2 Your Alpha will make smoke. And spectral sight 1 1. Hero power in close. You use in close. Your hero main 1 attack. And spectral sight 1 1. And spectral sight 1 1. Play card. You play spectral sight. You make your result on sight.
See.
You have no man in place. You still have man in place. Are you sure? And make your result 1 2. Summon to right. You summon your result. And fixed slide 1 1. Play card. You play fixed slide. You choose angle 5 your hero main 2 attack. Minions make your result 0 2. Minions make your result 0 2. Choose target. Opponent's minions 2 1 7. You make your result attack. Your opponent's first movement. Opening start. Turn it. Your hero is 1 attack. Your hero is 2 attack. Opponent's turn. Your opponent's fight 4 cards. Your opponent's hero is 1 number. Your opponent uses choose 1 4 cards. 4 main and 3 mother crystal. Your opponent summons damage. You have a plus 5 almost everything. You make 4 mother crystals ready. Your opponent main 4 mother. Your opponent's 2 attack. Your hero is 4 damage. Your opponent's attack. Your hero is 2 damage. Your opponent's attack. Your hero is 2 damage. Your opponent's first attack. Your opponent's 1 attack. Your opponent's first attack. Your hero is 4 damage. Your hero is 4 damage. You make 50 minus 3. You make 50. You can't lose stars. You are currently 1 7. You have 3 out of 3 stars. You finish the best. Let's focus on slate and current focus is 4 out of 10. Play out. Choose 1 of 3. Top of you finish the best. Choose 1 of 3. Choose 1 of 3. Main menu, play one of tails.
Alright guys, well
Off
if
studio 30,
you
42, 43,
enjoyed
off studio 30.
this, I will see you guys in the next one. And you can like and share and comment and subscribe. And yeah.
Stop virtual camera check, checked. Checked. Stop recording check, checked.